Changing tracks completely, Nikhil Nanda has been appointed the Managing Director of Escorts, and he joins us on the show right now to discuss the strategy going forward as he takes charge of the organization. And Mr. Nanda, thanks very much for speaking with us. Congrats on being appointed the MD of the company. Tell us what will be the key focus factors and growth drivers for your company henceforth.
Well, I think we are very much focused on our 2020 vision, which is based on the agricultural portfolio and the infrastructure business segment. Escorts is clearly an engineering company which is embarking in changing practices in these two segments. We have a very clear-cut plan within what we will do in tractors, in crop solutions, businesses and partners which we are going to bring in the agricultural segments over the next 2 to 3 years. And the same opportunity in the infrastructure segment, apart from the cranes that we manufacture and other products that we're going to be building in. So there are a lot of things which are going to be unfolding in times to come, and me and my team are absolutely focused in taking Escorts to being a blue chip company again. And this is a dream the chairman, me, and the last man who's standing in the machine shop shares in terms of the conviction that we have as an organization. So I feel very humbled and very blessed to be a part of this legacy, and I think we would like to build value and prosperity to the society and earn our respect as an organization.
Nikhil, the more pertinent question I think for your shareholders, of course congratulations on this appointment, but the more pertinent question that a few of your shareholders or viewers might want to know is what's the plan for the immediate term? How do you expect the next 6 months to be after how the first half has been for you as a company?
Well, I think in the tractor business, for Escorts, we have been very, very focused on improving our profitability. The last few quarters are very significant in the trends that we are showcasing. Escorts follows a fiscal of September to October, so we just have a month, less than few weeks, 2 weeks to close our full year. I think the sentiments in the last quarter for agriculture has most definitely improved, and I do believe that this is something that's going to carry on. As far as we are concerned, we are very bullish, and we are very focused on the products that we have launched, and those products are showing some tremendous pull. So I don't want to give you any significant or any specific numbers, but overall the sentiment is positive, and we do believe we will meet the expectations of our shareholders.
Even though you will not share numbers on the revenue side or profitability going forward, in terms of purely the market share, are there any internal targets that you're working with right now, given that the market is competitive and is not growing, so there is concern among investors on how Escorts will be able to garner more share from here?
I am a man who believes in wealth, and I do believe that wealth has to be measured vis-a-vis contributions and profit margins. And as I mentioned, on a standalone basis, Escorts has taken many initiatives on enriching its product mix, launching new products, while the markets was very, very down. And I think we as an organization have done well in delivering a margin and improving a margin which is more than double of last year, quarter by quarter. And I think to us that is a measurement, that is a focus. While I take your point that market share and top line is important, but not at the cost of depleting profits. And as you mentioned correctly, that when the markets are going through a difficult phase, then more so an organization has to be very focused on cash. And I think Escorts is developing a very fundamental focus on measurement and building a profitable organization. So I myself, as an MD who is basically a custodian of the organizational values, we are building in even an EVA perspective of the way we measure our businesses at Escorts. So as of now, I think profit is the focus. Market share most definitely we will look at, and with the new products that we are launching, I do believe we will capture that as well.
All right, Nikhil, we'll leave it at that. All the best for the innings ahead. Thanks so much for taking the time out and being with us today. Take a break, come back with more focus on the European markets and of course a slice of the activity that happened on Instagram today.